You may need to convert formulas to values in Excel if you work with a lot of dynamic or volatile formulas. For example, if you use Excel's today function to insert the current date in the cell and you leave it as a formula, it will update itself as current date whenever you open the workbook next time. If this is not what you wanted, then you need to convert the formula into a static value by writing a VBA macro code. I will also explain this code line by line. In addition to this code, I will also show you 3 more ways to achieve this. So stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. This is our sample workbook which has 2 formulas. One is today's date and other is sum of 2 numbers. To convert this both formulas to values, we will first write a small VBA macro code. So let's open our VBA editor by pressing Alt F11. In this window, we will write our code. Since I have the code already copied in clipboard, I will just paste it here, which will help us in reducing the video length. This is the macro code that will do our job. I have also provided this code in the description box below. Now let us understand this code line by line. The first line here is just a comment for us to better understand what our macro is supposed to do. Then we have started our macro with name convert to values. You can give any name you prefer to. In the next line we have started a with loop which will run through entire range of the cells with data in it. Then we picked up value of the cell and replaced it with the same. Then we closed the loop with end with. So once our formulas are converted to values, we want a confirmation from the code that our job is done. So this line will give us a pop-up message box with a message all formulas are converted to values. And finally, we close our function with end sum. Now since we are done with our code, let's close this VBA editor and return back to our Excel sheet to test our macro code. To run our code, we need to press Alt F8. This will open the macro dialog box. You can see our macro code name here is available. Okay, before we execute our macro, have a look at the cells. These are formulas. Now let us run our macro. Just select the name and press run. And we got our message saying all formulas are converted to values. We'll just click OK to this message and check our formulas. Great, our formulas are converted to values. Now let me get back these formulas so that I can show you few more ways of doing this. The second way is the conventional manner. First copy both these formulas, then go to Home ribbon, click on the arrow below the paste button, and finally click on values option under paste values. And we are done. Let me get back these formulas. Okay, the third way is by doing the same thing with keyboard shortcut. First copy these formulas with Ctrl C, then hit Alt H. This will activate the Home ribbon. Then hit V. This will activate the paste arrow and finally hit V again. This will paste the copied content as values. So we have again done the same thing with keyboard shortcuts. Let me get these formulas back for the final time. The fourth way of doing this is with mouse. First select both these formulas, then move the mouse to the border of the cell. When the icon changes to icon of 4 arrows, right click the mouse and move to the neighboring cells and get back to the same cells again, and then leave the right click button. A menu will pop up. Select the third option in the menu, copy here as values, and we are done. We have covered all the possible methods of doing this. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.